In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Kartra email marketing. By the end, you'll feel confident building, targeting, and sending a polished email campaign right inside Kartra. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Kartra. Look for the official site and confirm the URL so you're on the legitimate homepage. It helps to bookmark it for future campaigns. Once you're there, sign in to your account. If you use two-step verification, keep your device nearby so you can get in smoothly. After logging in, head to the marketing section from your dashboard. This is where all your communication tools live. Click Emails and SMS to open the messaging area. Here, you'll see your previous broadcasts and sequences, plus tools to create new ones. To create a new email, click the plus email/SMS button and choose email. Kartra will ask you to pick a starting point. You can go with a plain text email, which feels personal and is great for deliverability, a rich text layout for branded content with images and buttons, or a custom template you've saved for consistent design. If you're unsure, plain text is a safe, high-engagement choice. Rich text shines for newsletters, product highlights, and promotions. Now craft your message. Use the drag-and-drop editor to add text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers. Keep your subject line clear and benefit-focused. You can use Kartra's AI to brainstorm ideas or refine wording based on your prompt. Personalization tokens, like the subscriber's first name, can lift open and click rates when used sparingly. Make sure images have alt text, links are easy to tap on mobile, and your footer includes required contact details. Aim for scannable paragraphs, strong calls to action, and a short preview line that complements the subject. Avoid overly salesy language that can trigger spam filters. Next, choose who receives the email. Select your audience by lists or tags, such as people who purchased a specific product or active newsletter subscribers. You can include certain segments and exclude others to keep your message relevant. For example, send to engaged readers while excluding recent purchasers if the email is a first-time offer. Good segmentation boosts deliverability and results. Finally, decide whether to send now or schedule for later. If you schedule, confirm the date, time, and your account's time zone. A quick final review of subject, links, and audience never hurts. When you're ready, confirm the send. Kartra will queue it up and deliver on schedule so you can focus on your next campaign.